Okay.
Video.
The video. Oh, naked.
Okay.
I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I'll stay alive. I got all my life to give. Con de Melo Gordo, I got all my love to give, and I'll survive. We will survive. Hey, hey. Da, da, da.
Just for today. Madam, again.
What? You keep on.
I'm looking for.
It's her. She did it.
You're right.
Evelyn, I don't know.
Yes.
Okay, we go on.
Oh,
Oh, you know my nutrition?
Yes, dietitian.
Okay, you're gonna show me how to do.
Hello everyone. I'm here in Senjo. Then today is Women's Day. So nag-live ako dito guys. Saka sa hospital. Ayan, isa yung staff dyan. Yeah, that is the
Happy Women's Day to all.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yan your name.
Oh, my name is Rosie.
Rosie.
I'm patient license officer from Sunil Medical Center.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for watching.
Come
Thank
and
you,
visit
ma'am.
us.
Yeah.
If you want to do gastro and liver disease, you can come to our center.
Yeah, thank you. Happy Women's Day.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. This is the name of the hospital, which is Madame Doda Bariatric Surgery in Bangsar. So we are in the lobby. So nag-wait pa ako guys sa resulta ng kanyang operation. Maraming salamat sa inyong support sa aking live guys, kahit hindi ako masyadong naka-attend sa aking 7 o'clock premiere, pero nandyan pa rin kayo sumusuporta. God bless you all guys, and maraming ito rin kong utang na loob ko sa inyo, ang aking mga viewers, mga supporters na sumusuporta sa aking premiere every 7 p.m. PH Sukiel TV. Bawi lang ako sa inyo guys. Happy Ramadan. This is PH Sukiel TV. Thank you for watching. Be safe.